What's up, YouTube? Back here with another video, and today, yes, we have a wing. This is the Flite Test Mini Arrow. Okay, I built this guy up in about a couple hours. You know, it's got a quad VTX, a quad antenna, quad camera, quad motor, quad ESC. I had all this extra stuff kind of laying around. So for a receiver and a phone board thing and two servos, which I already also had laying around, 5-gram servos, you can put yourself together a wing in practically no time. If you're a quad guy and you want to try a wing, this is the one I recommend. For a very, very small barrier to entry, you can build this guy and try to fly a wing. And it flies great. I mean, it's literally my first try ever flying a wing. I literally just, watched some videos on how to release them, and it went right up there. I flew it, put my goggles on. You know, it was a little bit of a learning curve, but not bad. You'll see. You see my DVR. I had a blast. So yesterday I flew. I've been flying this a little bit. So yesterday wasn't my first flight, but I finally got some good DVR in a good location. Not a lot of wind. I got a full flight, and I just wanted to share it. You know, here we go. So this is another chapter of my RC saga, flying wing. This is the Mini Arrow from Flite Test. Highly recommend if you want to get into wings. I mean, we'll just take a closer look real quick, and then you can watch the DVR. This is a 2205 2300 kV motor with a 6-inch prop. There's a cheap PWM telemetry receiver in here. I think it's an X4R. So you can have telemetry. Here's my antennas. There's a old VTX in there running at 600 milliwatts. All right, and just a quad ESC that I adapted to the system. Had to use some regulators and stuff, but whatever. 2 servos, and it runs off my micro batteries, so I didn't really have to buy a whole lot of extra crap. A 650 3S works in here great. A 650 CNHL just fits in there great, and that's that. I mean, this is a Runcam Mini V2, so I got my voltage and all, which you'll see in the DVR, and there's really not much else to it. That's all I got. Enjoy the DVR. I had a blast flying this thing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more wing stuff, because there's going to be some more wing stuff coming. I'm really having a blast flying this thing. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.